Today I'm going to be opening this pink early summer uniform from Simontoys and dressing summer wildness in it. This is an outfit I bought separate from the dolls. I like having some extra clothes for them to wear, and I like that this one's pink, so I'm going to pull out all the pieces here. It comes with some socks, like a little necktie bow, skirt, and the shirt has the sweater vest attached to it, and then a little blazer. And the shirt and the skirt are both Velcro. So that's really should be easy for getting on. Should be pretty easy for getting on and attached onto her. I'm just gonna start with taking her dress she comes in off, and I'm going to start with the skirt. That wraps around just pretty easy on her. So this is a set that's for the Teennar dolls, and the Liroros are like a little bit bigger, but it looks like this should still fit. This should still fit her pretty good. The armholes in the shirt might be like a little tricky to push the hand all the way through, but it doesn't seem too bad, and there's no loose threads so far, so that's a pretty nice thing. Here she is with the skirt and the shirt on so far. I like how this looks with the shirt overlaying the skirt, but I think if you wanted, you could tuck it in and have the skirt on top. I'm going to do the blazer now, and pushing her arms behind her. It seems to have plenty of room in the armholes for the undershirt. I like how it looks a little bit better without the blazer added, but it's nice that these layers can all be like separated. And to get the little, I think this goes on like under her collar, the whole head will have to come off. So we can separate that. And this is on a stretchy cord, so we'll stretch over the neck card. And then I'm going to try and bring it down under the collar. Just stretches a little and straighten it out. There we go, that's pretty straight. And then pop her head just back on. So do the face. And there we go. The socks will be a little bit tricky because that's probably going to be like the most smallest piece going on. But I just like to use the beds of my fingertips These socks are a lot better than the ones she came with because they're actually long enough to go up, which again is another thing I like. I just wish I had some pink shoes for her to match with the dress, or some brown or black neutral colored shoes. These are okay. There she is, the whole outfit. Get her to stand. I had to straighten her jacket out a little bit more off camera, and I think it could use even more straightening out. It's restricting her arm movement just a little to have so much going on with the fabric bunched up, but I think this is a pretty cute set altogether, and I love that it comes with so many little details like the neck bow tie being separate and not just sewn down. All right, thanks for watching.